Picture this, a young Earth, still forming, hot and molten. The surface is a hellish landscape, covered in lava and dominated by violent volcanic activity. It's a world in chaos, a planet still in the throes of its birth. Suddenly, out of the cosmic darkness, a Mars-sized object named Theia appears. This rogue planetesimal is on a collision course with Earth, moving at an incredible speed, and then it happens. Theia slams into Earth with unimaginable force. This wasn't just a fender bender, folks, this was a cosmic crash of epic proportions. The impact was so powerful that it reshaped both celestial bodies in an instant. This cataclysmic event, which occurred billions of years ago, is known as the giant impact hypothesis, or, as I like to call it, the Big Splat. It's a theory that explains so much about our planet's history and the formation of our moon. The energy released during the impact was beyond comprehension. It vaporized rock, flinging debris into space, creating a massive cloud of molten material that would eventually coalesce to form the moon. Imagine the heat, the chaos, the sheer scale of this cosmic event. It's mind-boggling to think about the forces at play, the temperatures soaring to thousands of degrees, and the sheer amount of material being ejected into space. This wasn't a quick hit and run. The impact likely lasted for hours, maybe even a whole Earth day back then. The collision would have caused massive shockwaves to ripple through both planets, altering their structures forever. Can you imagine witnessing such an event? The sight of two planetary bodies colliding, the explosion of debris, the formation of a new celestial body. It's a scene straight out of a science fiction movie, but it actually happened. Thankfully, life as we know it didn't exist yet. The Earth was still a barren, lifeless rock, so there were no living creatures to witness or be affected by this cataclysmic event. This catastrophic collision, my friends, is the leading explanation for the formation of our moon. The debris from the impact eventually coalesced to form this new celestial body, a constant companion to Earth that has fascinated humanity for millennia. The moon's formation was a direct result of this cosmic dance, a testament to the violent and dynamic processes that shape our universe. The debris ejected from the impact didn't just disappear into the vastness of space, instead it lingered, floating around Earth, a chaotic cloud of cosmic particles and fragments. Gradually this debris began to coalesce, clumping together under the relentless pull of gravity. This process formed a ring of superheated rock and dust encircling our young planet, a fiery halo of cosmic material. Over time, this ring of debris started to cool and condense. The particles, once scattered and chaotic, began to merge slowly but surely into a more solid form. This gradual process eventually gave birth to our moon. It's like cosmic recycling, wouldn't you say? The remnants of a catastrophic event transformed into a new celestial body, a testament to the universe's ability to create order from chaos. The moon, our closest celestial neighbor, is a testament to this ancient cosmic collision. Its surface, marked by craters and valleys, tells the story of its tumultuous formation. Its existence is a constant reminder of the dynamic and often violent history of our solar system. From the chaos of its birth to its serene presence in our night sky, the moon embodies the ever-changing nature of the cosmos. Now you might be thinking, Neil, how do we know this actually happened? Well, there's evidence. Let's dive into the fascinating details that support this theory. By studying the moon's composition, scientists have found that it's remarkably similar to Earth's mantle, the layer beneath our planet's crust. This discovery was made possible through the analysis of moon rocks brought back by the Apollo missions. These rocks have provided invaluable insights into the moon's origins. This suggests that the moon formed from material blasted off Earth. The idea is that a colossal impact, often referred to as the Big Splat, ejected a significant amount of debris into space, which eventually coalesced to form our moon. It's like finding pieces of the same puzzle in two different places. The chemical signatures of the rocks are like matching puzzle pieces, providing a clear connection between Earth and the moon. Furthermore, computer simulations of giant impacts consistently show that a collision like the Big Splat could indeed form a moon similar in size and orbit to ours. These simulations take into account various factors such as the angle of impact, the speed of the colliding bodies, and the resulting debris field. Science! Section 4. Mysteries remain. While the Big Splat is the leading theory for the moon's formation, there are still some mysteries to unravel. For example, we're not entirely sure about the angle of the impact or the exact composition of Theia. But that's the beauty of science. Every discovery leads to more questions, more avenues to explore. It's a never-ending quest for knowledge. Section 5. Keep exploring. So, there you have it, the Big Splat, a cosmic collision of epic proportions that shaped our world and gave us our celestial companion, the moon. I encourage you to explore further, read more about the giant impact hypothesis, and delve deeper into the fascinating world of astronomy. Keep looking up and never stop questioning the universe around us.